Hey guys, welcome back to Fun Cooking. Well, the holidays are upon us, so today and every day for the rest of the month, I will be teaming up with Sutton's Days, Paul's Rule of Thumb, and the resident foodie and hoarder to bring to you 30 Days of Thanksgiving. You can find everybody else's link below in the description box. Today I will be showing you an appetizer that is just perfect for the Thanksgiving holiday. It will make your guest's mouth water with anticipation for the main course. And what are these amazing appetizers? Sweet potato bites. So come back and I'll show you how I made these. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to need to make these are sweet potatoes, marshmallows, pecans, and olive oil. So now what we need to do is peel and cut these into 1/4-inch slices. So now that we have 1/4-inch slices, we need a bowl. And we're going to take our sweet potatoes and just throw them in here and coat them with our olive oil. Give them a little toss, trying to get them covered evenly. And that should do it. So we're going to take these and place them on a cookie sheet. So once we get this done, we're going to put them in a preheated 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. After 4 minutes, we're going to flip everything over and put it back in for another 10 minutes. At that point, I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, so our sweet potato slices are out of the oven. Next, we're going to take our marshmallows, and we're going to take 1 or 2, depending on the size of the potato slice. Put them on and give them a little smash. Keep them from rolling around. I think I'll just put them on first, then go back and smash them. And be careful, your tray is going to be warm. Well, probably a little more than warm. And they do smash a little bit easier once they've been sitting on the warm potato. Okay. Now I'm going to put these back in the oven, but this time it'll be on broil. And we're just going to leave them in there for a minute or so until they start to turn brown. Okay, so our marshmallows have browned. So now we're just going to take little pieces of our pecans and stick them right into the soft marshmallow. Be careful, do not touch the marshmallow or you will have one of the worst pains ever. There's nothing like hot molten sugar stuck to your skin. Now if you wanted to get really fancy doing this, you could use pecan halves. However, the store I went to was out of the smaller packages and I really didn't have a need to buy a big package. And honestly, on some of these pieces of sweet potato, a half of a pecan would be just a little overwhelming. Okay, so I'm going to let these cool, and once they cool, I'll bring you back for a taste. Yeah. Okay, so we've let our sweet potato bites cool down. We can now touch them without burning our fingers off. They taste really good. Next time, I might cut them just a little bit thicker. These were cut to about 1/8 of an inch, and they decreased in thickness as they cooked, so I think next time, full 1/4 inch thickness would give them a little more rigidity. But I will be making these again. They've got a really good texture. They're done all the way through, but they're not real mushy. If you're looking for a different appetizer for your Thanksgiving get-together, or if you need something to bring to work or a party, you might want to consider these. So remember, every day this month, the 4 channels listed below in the description box will be doing a video that relates to something for Thanksgiving. So I'd appreciate it if you would check out the other channels and come back tomorrow to see what else I have for you guys. See you next time.